我的评价是我们家的是这样。
If you are visiting Tokyo, you might want to spend a day around Enoshima, situated around a half-hour south of Yokohama by commuter rail. This island and the adjacent coastline are a staple of tourism year-round, with glowing orange sunsets and the endless sound of waves swishing along the beach. The area is instantly recognizable in the film industry, from films such as Our Little Sister to seinen anime, including the likes of Bunny Girl Senpai. Both of these feature a railway which itself has been a long-time attraction. Welcome to the Enoshima Electric Railway, or Enoden for short. This railway has been serving a 10-kilometer line between Fujisawa and Kamakura for the past 121 years and counting. First, we will visit the locally renowned section near Kamakurakokomae, where the oldest set in operation makes an appearance, number 305, built in 1960. Later, we will move to the nighttime, where the green and beige snakes its way up the middle of a street near Koshigoe Station.
「
As the sun sets on the Kamakura shoreline, so too does it set for this part of the journey. I do hope to be back in the country soon to do a more in-depth overview of this very special railway line. Thank you for watching. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing. ありがとうございました。